guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's gonna be a very special video. You guys must be wondering why am I so dressed up early in the morning. It's probably like 8 a.m. right now, and we are already ready to go somewhere. It will be a surprise, guys, and it will be so dazing. I'm not sure. So we're all ready and we are waiting for the bus, and also for our friends. We'll be waiting for the bus there. So it's a surprise, and I'll explain the whole story when I reach to the bus. Oh. So all the people just arrived here. See? We're just waiting for the bus now. It will be here in no time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes more, and then we'll be on the bus. So see you. So the bus has just arrived and we're heading towards the bus now. Just after the bus, we still have to cross the road and get on the bus. I hope we get a good place. There they are. Let's go. Excited. So we have just reached Jowai Pass and we're just close to the destination. It's more like 30 or 40 kilometers from here, so everybody's setting up. Lisa, say hi.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So some of the people just came out to get the air. All of us are tired. This is my brother, properly dressed today, and this is Jowai town. I never visited this town, but then it's kind of big, I'd say, and it's too windy today. I'm enjoying it. And the weather is too nice. So I'll have to head back to the bus for now. For the handleman has called us to get in.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
The driver just stopped for people who want to go for urinal and stuff. And here is the bus. There's a lot of people. The song is playing on the background. I might get copyright strike today for sure because there are a lot of songs that I'll be adding to it. And here I have Ambedkar. And here I've got the remote for that camera control. I just press there and the video can be paused or maybe resume anytime I want. And it's a lovely place. We'll be in reaching our destination within few more hours, maybe probably 1 hour, I'd say. And the roads are so good. Few more hours. We'll reach there in 1 hour. Won't take much time. So here I have got Rahul. And by the way, he had just released his new song called, what was the name of that song? I forgot.
No Boundaries.
No Boundaries. You should check it out. No Boundaries featuring Gona. Also Rahul. You can just go check out his song called No Boundaries on Spotify or maybe YouTube. And do check out, guys. It's really good. And we'll be reaching our destination soon. So stay tuned, guys. It will be a proper video. I'm using a very good device today, so it's worth it. So just enjoy the video today.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
So after traveling for like 3 hours from Shillong, we have finally made it to Krangsuri. For your information, Krangsuri is only 80 kilometers, yeah. Jowai is 60. So 60 plus, I think it's 60, 70, 80, yeah. 80 kilometers from Shillong. Coming back and going back to Shillong, I think it will be around 160. No, yeah, 160 total. So we have finally made it here. So there's a lot of music here. Like, it's very noisy and it's very hard to be hearing me. So I just came away from the crowds. And where's the bus? Oh yeah, the bus is right behind me. And yeah, we have the people. Probably most of the people are girls. We boys are like 9 people, I guess, out of 40. So we're finally here. And as expected, the weather is not that good. I expected a sunny day, but then it turned out to be a cloudy day. So it's still okay. We can manage. So my brother is carrying all the load, whereas I'm just carrying this bag which is not so heavy. I have got the cold drinks and stuff. Still not tired, but then we're doing good. I think there is one zip line over there somewhere, but then we can't see it, and I really hope to do the... What is that? What is that thing called? I forgot. Just leave it. So we're heading towards it. The trekking is pretty long. I didn't expect it, but then I hope to reach there in no time again. Yes! So as I was talking about the zip line, we have the zip line here. You can do it for 300 rupees per person. And if you're interested in doing it, so you just come from this side and don't go from the first signboard that you get somewhere on that village, because it will lead you to the other side of the waterfall and we'll have to just walk from there. It's a bit of a hectic work, so just come from the other way. I mean from the town. I don't know the name of the small little village or town. We just come from there. And here's my brother. Let me just click his pictures and I'll be continuing with the video recording. One of our friends is trying to go for the zip line. Very courageous indeed. The only girl that is going to do the zip line. Very athletic and courageous. Damn. Krangsuri waterfalls is situated in Jowai, which is just 80 kilometers away from Shillong. If you take bus, it will take probably 3 hours, and if you come by bike, maybe it depends on you. You can reach here within 1 hour, 2 hours, depends on how fast you ride. So ride safe and don't overspeed, guys. Life is precious. And here's the track. And here we have the entrance. So for the life jacket, you'll have to pay on the front, and here you just have to pay for the ticket, which is 50 rupees. And for the children's, it's 30 rupees. So it's a very reasonable price, looking at the beautiful waterfall that is provided here. Uncle, 2% ka dito. Hi guys, welcome to Krangsuri waterfalls. And today I would like to present you people a very beautiful and also cinematic visuals of this waterfall, which has never been done by me. Well, I didn't expect so many people to be here today. We came 40 of us in a bus. We hired it for 11,000, and if you want the contact number of the bus, you can just text me on my Instagram. You know my Instagram name, right? Lenin Ryang. That's where you can get me. You can get the number of the bus and also all the information regarding the waterfalls. So go follow me on Instagram, guys. So here's the view of the waterfall from above. See, this is where the water falls into this reef over here. I think this is not so deep, I guess, but so I'm just gonna take a tour for now and roam around and show you people the place. The river is not dirty, it's blue, so I'm happy about that. So here we have Rahul. It's already ready for the swim. See, my dudes are getting ready for the swim, so we'll just have to wait for them to get into the river. Yeah, we have a lot of people. See, I don't know what's wrong with my hairstyle. It just goes by itself, like here and there. So right now we are heading towards the main tourist attraction, towards the main waterfall that you'll see. So it's the main attraction here. So guys, we still are busy taking pictures. I have clicked a ton of pictures for ourselves, and after a bit more, I'll be just diving right there in the stream, right below that waterfall. So I guess I really want to jump in with the phone, but then I don't want to risk it. It's very expensive. It will be very heavy to my pocket if I spoil it. So that's where you get all those what is that, life jackets, and we'll have to go to the dressing room to get dressed. Most of my friends are already over there taking the dive, and I can no longer resist or wait to be part of that. So this is the place where you get all the life jackets, and we'll be taking the life jackets from him. He's the one who provides the life jacket. Brother, life jacket होगा? एक दे दो life jacket. न फोटो को ना है? दो दे दो भैया. So we'll be taking 2 life jackets because my brother also wants to take a dive in the river. And there's the payment, 50 rupees per suit. So right now we are looking for a place to keep our baggage and also to change our dress. So this is the dressing room. Got no walls, just for the boys. You still have another dressing room somewhere near the steps for the females. If you want to change your dress, it is there. We boys though, we can change anywhere, so we'll be changing dress now and get back to the river.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. But hey, when I keep
So guys,
dreaming, I'll be
I'm ready with life jacket, t-shirt on, socks, pants, and done. Now I'll be just going to dive into the river down there. I'm excited and I'm scared that the water will be too cold. Hurry up, come on.
Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what I succeed. And then
Very crowded there. I'm kind of scared whatever the hell can make me happy. And the life is too tight.
But I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really know.
Oh, I just took a dip in there and it's freezing cold and it's very frustrating. You get very tired there, it's very hard to swim. Thank God that I have the life vest. It's very useful indeed. It's very cold, I'm literally shivering, but after swimming there I'm feeling the warmth after all, and it's getting very hard for me to speak. My tongues are frozen. It's very hot, and I just went underneath that waterfall, just right underneath the stream that is just flowing down. And the water current is too strong. I didn't expect it, but yeah, this is a very nice place to be if you are with your friends, and if you want a good time with your friends, you should really come here and enjoy this place. Like if you come alone, you wouldn't be enjoying this place to the fullest, but you should be here with a lot of friends, at least 10 people. That's what I recommend. Yes, now I'll get some photo shoots here. So stupid enough to be forgetting all the thing, and this is what I came up with. I'm placing all the stuff in all this polythene. I didn't bring any lotion, no any oil or anything. Like after I took birth, it's feeling all dry everywhere, even my lips though I got a lip balm, so finally thankful for that. And for my face, I have not applied anything, so I feel so dry. So now we are trying to go for boating. It's 200 rupees for one trip, and you can take as many people you want, as long as it fits on the boat. There's water in the boat, so they're trying to just remove the water. And Brilliant is volunteering, helping the sailman or the boatman. What do we call him? Sailman, that's what I call him. The water doesn't seem very deep, but then it's very deep. I think it's like look at the people. How many of us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of us will be going. And the price will be 200. So very economical. So I am the captain. I should be the one sitting on the front to make the videos. water. It's so much raining here. Save me! Just kidding. So, it's sailing the boat, and the view is so freaking good. Like the quality of the video is so good. So, only 5 people are allowed. I was wrong about the first thing that I said. You can only sit 5 person for one trip, and it will cost you 200. So it's around 40 rupees per person. I don't know for how much long do we have to go. Maybe probably better than the one. There's so many people polluting the river. See? They're eating the watermelon and throwing here and there. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and it's not the ending yet, but being in this woods between this ravine, it feels good. Like, it's so peaceful. I feel so good after a very long time. It's the best feeling ever. Like, it's worth it. I have too many assignments pending and also practicals, but then coming here, it is worth it, and I don't have the regrets of coming here anymore. I was really hoping that I'd be really stressful after coming here, for I have many assignments pending. But the moment I reach here, it all disappeared. It's worth it, and you get to see all this beautiful scenery, and also so peaceful, being away from all the hustle and bustle from the cities. I recommend you to give yourself some time, like quality time, and relax with the nature. So you should just come here, somewhere here, like place somewhere you find peace in between the woods. And also there is zip line, which I'm very curious about. I really want to do it, but then I might not do it this time, but I'll be doing it next time. So I'll be coming back to this place again. It's not the end, and there is no end to such exploration, and this is it. So thank you for all the views, people. I really love you guys, and keep watching. That's it. So we are back now. We are back from the place, and it's so nice. Thanks to our salesman, not the one who sails the thing. Got so much sunburn today, exposed to so much vitamin D from the sun. I need sunscreen, but then I don't have, so I'll have to wear this shades. It looks cool now. Thankfully, my eyes are not hurting anymore. And now we are going to some more places to get more photos.
Yeah.
Are you sure they're that girl?
So guys, we are finally heading back to the bus, and I'm really tired. So we have made it to the top, and I'm barely able to speak because I'm so tired. Here's the view, that's the bus, and that's all for today, guys. So hi everyone. Hi. So with this, we'll be ending the vlog, and nice meeting you guys.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye bye.
It's not the end yet.
If you don't subscribe, you're dead.
Yeah. If you don't subscribe, you're dead.
Dead, man, I'll kill you.